Select Tianze Electric Power, Crimping Effect Sharing. Flash, uneven, no comparison, no harm. Customers' existing terminals before replacing. Tianze reducing terminals, severe deformation. After the replacement of Tianze reducing terminals, the customer's existing terminals are neat and beautiful. Let's go back to the crimp scene. Tianze uses NBC 713 U battery-operated hydraulic crimping tool. Install die and start crimping. U-shaped clamp head design can ensure uniform force on both sides when crimping. One-click operation makes work easier. The start key and the oil return key are independently designed to prevent misoperation. Review the crimp effect. Tianze crimping effect. Customers choose Tianze. Good products is the hard truth. Test report, data support, conformance to requirements, practical, manufacturer, quick cooperation. Select Tianze Electric Power, equivalent to choosing a worry-free future. It represents not only an efficient working way, but also a commitment to quality and safety.